Working on the Mercury today. Today's episode of Dane's Arts and Crafts, I created a manta ray out of metal. I'm just trying to figure out some cool way to kind of cover all the business going on under this panel. This is what I came up with. This is my third attempt at trying to make something look cool. First two, they didn't go well. I was not happy. And this is the final one. So just try and make the front of this look nice and presentable when he pops that hood. I don't know what we're doing about an engine cover yet, but hopefully we can find or make something that kind of looks cool with this. And it's gonna get body work. I don't know if it's gonna get painted green or black. Unsure. But yeah, I just wanted something nice to kind of tie this front end up, making sure it fits in there nice, and then I'll finish welding it and bead rolling it. Not bead rolling, English wheeling it. I think next step, once I get this thing kind of fit and like flown with the body, I gotta build a little panel in here so I can fit all these suckers in there. Hey, over here. Yeah, it's not a car anymore. We got the body off. That's in a whole ass other video. And while they're doing all that, I figured why not try and route airlines or brake lines and anything that's gonna be hard to get to. Airlines kind of routed. I work on the rear. Right now I'm doing compressors. They're under this. And I'll route those. It's so tight under that body with this frame and everything, so I'm trying to save myself by doing it now before we put the body back on.
Update on the Mercury. So Dane's got the body off right now, and chassis back in the air so we can get it cleaned up. Front flip. We got inner panels here are all being worked. Pile over there is blasting some parts for it. The intake cover and stuff like that. So chassis is looking good. The body's finally in the body shop, so we'll tie in with oh, EJ's got the engine cover right there. That's gonna get body worked and painted. We'll tie in with Preston, get you up to date on the body. So Preston has the Mercury body now, and Dane's all done with the metal work, and they're gonna make it nice and straight. So Preston's got the inside all prepped out. What's the plan for this, Preston?
So we're gonna get this cleaned up. We gotta do some wax and grease and acetone, get that bare metal clean, and then we're going to get it all masked up. We gotta spray all epoxy all the way up the firewall, so I gotta make sure that all of this dash is protected. Get that all cleaned out, masked up. The outside here, we're gonna do some light body work. After we seal it up, of course, we're gonna come back down here, get it all masked. Yeah, pretty.
What are we doing with it color-wise and all that stuff?
DP and body work. Then we're gonna go body color with it. So we've got some color. Get that matched up. So body color firewall, not black this time. And then
that'd be nice.
We've got Kyle out here doing some blasting. Got a couple spots to fix on these inners, but they're super clean, so getting those cleaned up too.
So the touch on the inner fenders too, the original ones he had powder coated. We decided to save those so we can use it on another project. But this one here has been reworked pretty heavily, cut out for the control arms and the shocks, the air ride stuff. We have a little relief there for tire clearance, and then the back has been notched for it to have AC lines and stuff go around it. So quite a bit going on, just the one little inner fender. And yeah, what do you got there?
Well,
oh yeah, this cover here, that'll be for the intake that goes inside the fender, and air filter sits inside here, so it's like a little air box. And then panel right there for the ECM to mount to. This sits above the radiator. So a bunch of little brackets and stuff. We'll get them blasted, epoxied like Preston was saying, and then get them painted. So yeah, should be pretty cool. We've already had this color matched here. It's kind of a dark green, factory color. Might be hard to see on the camera, but yeah, should be pretty sharp. Get it cleaned up. The idea of this project here is at a glance, it's bone stock. So nobody should know what's hiding under it. You might hear it, but visually should all look pretty good. So yeah, cleaned up firewall, brake master there. And like Preston was saying, this will all get bodywork and painted. And then the bottom half, we'll put some Raptor liner on it for protection, sound deadening. And yeah, should be good. We'll touch back in later.
Such a deep breath, and you drive me crazy, like right up the wall. But now I call you baby, so I made the right call. You're in my blood, you got my love. You're all that I could ask from anyone.
guys, it's Kyle with Retro Rides here. Right now we are working on the Mercury. We've got pretty much the front end, or pieces of the front end, inner fenders, which make up part of the firewall. And other pieces as well. We're just prepping them out, getting it into 120, getting all the rust out so the rest of the metal doesn't rust away. And yeah, we're just getting it ready for DP. And obviously about ready to paint. So, well, put DP on, not paint. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Hey guys, Preston, Body Shop, here with the Mercury. We got it all sealed up, epoxied. I've since been through and scuffed everything that we're gonna body work. Firewall, down the toe boards, inner fenders, and what we're calling the man array. But that's just the little ECU cover for up front. Intake comes down through there too. There were a couple parts. We're ready to just go straight to paint. So this is where the ECU is going to go. Kind of goes under this, and this is the bracket itself for the ECU, ECM. In here, we ended up shooting some color on the inside of the fireball, and there. So that's all ready to go. Get that. Yeah, masked up so you don't get any blow through any of our holes. And yeah, so next step is to prime the firewall so we can body work it out, and one step closer to paint. I got the engine cover here for the Mercury, mostly body worked. A lot of this custom stuff when it comes over after metal work. It needs a little bit. This one was really nice. Dane did a great job. There's always a little bit of extra flow that we can get in it with body work, just to make it as close to perfect as we can. This one's crazy because there's a curve into a reverse curve into another curve. Everything goes this direction and that direction. It's kind of, here goes that way while going that way, while also kind of coming around where this nose is at, kind of flow that all into this, into that direction, get it into here, and then where this convex kind of turns into the concave for the front to fit into the latch panel. There's a whole bunch of different shapes, so trying to get it this way while also the other way. It's always fun to try and get that shape in there, but got that mostly knocked out. I'll finish out these back edges. You're not really going to see much more than this top here, but making sure that that's good to go. Kyle's over here working on getting these inner fenders good. They really weren't that bad. There was a couple spots like where welds or a bunch of hammer marks, just getting those out, make sure they're all good to go. Smooth, straight as we can. And then if we come over this way, we got EJ on the firewall. Just getting this knocked out pretty quick. Just kind of, you know, any major, heavy, I say heavy, it's really not that thick, but anywhere that it's going to be a little bit thicker, we'll get that fiber reinforced Duraglass filler, and then go over that, smooth that out, do a little bit of fill with just body filler. So EJ's getting that tuned up. If you hit it while it's still a little bit wet, you can kind of shape it, which is what he's in the process of doing right now, getting any little spots cut up, cut out, and as flat as it can be before he puts a block to it. So It's flying through this. We should be good to go on priming the parts today. So stay tuned for white or gray. So we got the Merc firewall all done. Still have to Raptor slot down here at the bottom, but it's green. So we did the firewall, the inners, and the upper shroud. Yeah, now we're gonna let it cure off a little bit. Dane will come through, wet sand it, get it up on a lift, finish out the Raptor on the bottom, drop it on the chassis, and it's ready to go together. So let's see some of that. We're gonna end up buffing out at least some of this to make the nice new shiny look nice with the nice old shiny. So yeah, got the inside all done, outside done. Really the last things are Raptor on the inside of the inner fenders. Get those nice and clean, and the Raptor on the bottom. No more painting.
I am starting in on the cut. I let it breathe over the weekend. I cut it with 1200. Nothing crazy. Just kind of let it breathe, gas out, and I'm gonna start working my way up to like 3000 from 1200s.
Where are you at now?
I just started on 15. So I'll finish it in 1500, and then I'll hop up to 2. And then I'll go 25, and then I'll go to 3000. I'm gonna do all this, make it look nice and flat. That motor is huge, and there's no way I'll be able to do what I want to do with the body back on the frame. I'll do that, and then I think the plan is I'm gonna go around the whole car and kind of just give it like a light buff. I'm not gonna cut everything. Just buff all those scratches out, kind of make it shiny, cleaner. I'm gonna finish this up, and then hopefully it looks good. And I'll have to go back over it.